Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Learning, your hub for mastering the digital world. From crypto market updates and online business tips to powerful marketing strategies, we break it all down so you can learn, grow, and succeed. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Digital Learning, so you never miss any informative updates. Now let's dive into today's updates. Ethereum surges to $4,200 while $200 million gets liquidated. Ethereum ETH rose sharply, hitting $4,200, a level not seen since December 2021. Over 24 hours, ETH gained roughly 7%, with weekly gains nearing 20%. In the same period, over $200 million in liquidations occurred. Notably, $185 million of that was liquidated short positions, painful for those betting on ETH to fall. Eric Trump reacted to the move on X, saying, "It puts a smile on my face to see ETH shorts get smoked today. Stop betting against BTC and ETH, you will be run over." The bullish momentum wasn't limited to ETH. Many altcoins are also seeing strong performance during this market move. What's driving the massive rally of Ethereum? Institutional inflows and ETF demand drive momentum. Whales accumulation, derivatives, and futures market. A major catalyst, historic spot ETH ETF inflows totaling approximately 1.6 million ETH. U.S. spot Ethereum ETFs have been recording massive inflows, with over $2.18 billion accumulated in just 1 week, roughly 677,000 ETH. This set a new all-time high for weekly inflows and pushed spot ETF holdings above 5 million ETH, roughly 4% of circulating supply. These ETFs now hold over $15.5 billion in assets under management, a sign that institutional demand is accelerating. Companies like SharpLink Gaming have begun building Ethereum-based treasuries, with holdings surpassing 300,000 plus ETH, becoming some of the largest corporate holders. This trend is bolstering demand and contributing to upward price pressure. Ethereum ETH, the world's second largest cryptocurrency, has overtaken MasterCard to become one of the top global assets by market capitalization. With ETH's market cap climbing to around $440 billion, it is now worth more than MasterCard's value of about $427 billion, making it one of the biggest assets in the world. President Trump has signed a groundbreaking executive order that paves the way for cryptocurrency and other alternative assets to be included in 401k retirement plans. On August 7th of 2025, Trump signed an order telling the Labor Department, SEC, and Treasury to change the rules so people could possibly invest their 401k retirement savings in things like cryptocurrency, private equity, and real estate. He also canceled earlier Biden-era rules that had warned against these types of investments. Why it's a big deal? Unlocks trillions of dollars. The U.S. retirement market holds over $8 to $9 trillion, most of which is currently limited to conservative investments like stocks and bonds. This move opens up that massive pool to high-growth opportunities. Crypto embraces mainstream legitimacy. Analysts see this as a milestone toward mainstream crypto adoption, with retirement-savvy investors gaining entry to digital assets. But this won't happen overnight. Regulatory revisions still need to be made, and major providers like Fidelity, Vanguard, and T. Rowe Price will likely roll out new products gradually. Risks remain high. Experts warn that crypto and private equity carry high volatility, illiquidity, and complex valuation, which could pose risks, especially for retirement accounts that typically prioritize stability. What do you think? Is it a good idea to add crypto to retirement plan? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Vivo Power's bold XRP treasury strategy, what it means. Vivo Power shares leapt over 32% after the company revealed a groundbreaking strategy involving both Ripple equity and XRP holdings. Vivo Power, a NASDAQ-listed energy firm now pivoting toward crypto, announced a $100 million acquisition of Ripple Labs shares. This complements their XRP token holdings and solidifies their role as the first U.S.-listed company with dual exposure to Ripple equity and XRP. Vivo Power is mixing Ripple company shares with XRP tokens to earn more profit and reduce the average price they pay for each XRP. This mix makes them different from most crypto treasuries, which usually stick to only one type of asset. BlackRock confirmed they currently have no plans to file for spot XRP or Solana ETFs, even though there are rumors saying they might. This confirmation puts an end to speculation that they'd expand beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum for now. This news matters because many expected BlackRock to move into altcoin ETFs, especially after XRP got a regulatory green light thanks to its court victory over the SEC. Analysts like Nate Jeresi even predicted BlackRock could file for XRP and SOL ETFs as early as October 2025. The SEC is still reviewing several applications for spot ETFs tied to XRP, Solana, and others. Expect possible decisions later this year, but they're not here yet. BlackRock is holding off for now, but with regulatory clarity improving, alts like XRP and Solana are still on the radar for future ETF launches. Which ETF are you betting comes first, XRP or Solana? Let me know in the comments. Harvard Management Company, overseeing Harvard University's $50 billion endowment, has disclosed a new investment of $116.7 million in BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, according to its latest SEC filing. Harvard isn't the only one. Brown University has also increased its Bitcoin exposure via IBIT. Previously, it held $4.9 million, and recent filings show that it has boosted that to around $13 million. Coinbase just took a major step toward merging centralized and decentralized finance. Now, millions of tokens are tradable directly inside the Coinbase app, no listings needed. That means users can now trade base native tokens on the spot, immediately, even at token launch. No waiting for an official listing. Millions of new assets are now accessible right where you trade every day. Trades happen via DEX, decentralized exchange, protocols like Aerodrome on the base Layer 2 network, all within Coinbase's familiar interface. You don't need multiple wallets or platforms, just the Coinbase app. Trading is faster and cheaper on Base's Layer 2, meaning lower gas fees. It opens the floodgates for DeFi access within a regulated mainstream environment. So, what do you think? Will Coinbase become the go-to gateway for decentralized tokens? Drop your thoughts below. According to recent reports, World Liberty Financial has set up a treasury worth $1.5 billion filled with major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH, as well as other strategic crypto holdings. This isn't just a small company treasury move, it's one of the largest in the DeFi sector so far, showing their strong commitment to blockchain-powered finance. For those who don't know, World Liberty Financial is a decentralized finance platform that aims to connect traditional finance with blockchain technology. They focus on creating solutions for borderless payments, lending, and investments, and their goal is to empower users to have more control over their money without relying on traditional banks. So why is this such a big deal? Well, there are a few reasons. Strong vote of confidence in crypto. Having $1.5 billion locked in cryptocurrencies signals that they believe in the long-term value of digital assets, even during market ups and downs. Liquidity and stability. A large treasury means the company has the financial resources to expand operations, develop new products, and weather market volatility. Boost to DeFi credibility. Moves like this make DeFi projects look more serious to institutional investors, potentially bringing in more money and adoption. Possible impact on the market, increased demand for crypto. If they continue buying large amounts of Bitcoin and Ethereum, it can create upward price pressure. More institutional interest. Big treasuries often attract the attention of banks, hedge funds, and traditional investors. Strengthen DeFi ecosystem. With such large reserves, they can fund new DeFi products and innovations, making the ecosystem stronger. This move shows that DeFi isn't just a trend, it's becoming a powerful financial sector with real money behind it. World Liberty Financial's $1.5 billion crypto treasury could inspire other companies to adopt similar strategies, and that's great news for crypto adoption as a whole. Do you think World Liberty Financial's $1.5 billion crypto treasury will push the market higher, or is it just another headline? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Big move from Chainlink. The project just launched a new on-chain reserve that's stacking Link tokens automatically, powered by payments from real-world enterprise deals and DeFi usage. What does this mean for Link and Chainlink's future? Chainlink's new Link reserve is a smart contract on Ethereum designed to lock up Link tokens. It gets funded through a process called payment abstraction, which means clients, whether paying in stablecoins, ETH, or other tokens, automatically have their payments converted into Link via Chainlink's infrastructure and DEXs. All that Link gets deposited directly into the reserve. This move is strategic. It reduces selling pressure by locking Link away and aligns Chainlink's growth with demand. The reserve already holds over $1 million worth of Link, and Chainlink plans to leave it untouched for years. It's a long-term plan to strengthen token value and network sustainability. As enterprise and DeFi usage grows, especially from banks and tokenized asset platforms, these revenue streams funnel directly into Link, buttressing network resilience. It creates a self-reinforcing cycle. More usage equals more Link in reserve, equals higher token value, equals more adoption. The announcement sparked a 17% rally in Link's price this week, with technicals hinting at a potential push toward $22 or higher.
Our aim is to present the best possible content to our viewers so they can benefit from it. Our channel, Digital Learning, will continue to provide you with the latest crypto updates and other informative tutorials. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this update helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel, Digital Learning, for more future updates to help you stay ahead in the digital world. I'll catch you in the next piece of content. Have a great day.